The first casualty of the KTM bankruptcy has been announced, or at least big name casualty, and it happens to be Jeremy McWilliams, who's been with KTM for the last 15 years as a road tester, mostly on the production bikes, but also was there in the production of the RC16 project. And I mean, 15 years as a road tester for a company, uh, most recently helping to develop the RC990, which is going to be their super sport class, I guess, bike, whatever you want to call it, the contestant. And I mean, 15 years is a long time to hold a position. Obviously, he's a ex MotoGP racer from 1993 to 2004, I believe. Correct me if I'm wrong below. But I mean, this is one of those things that obviously there's people who are going to lose jobs over this. A lot of them are going to be, R&D people and, people just losing production jobs and whatever is going to happen. But these are the ones that you're going to know about because the big name people that are associated with the brand or associated with, the bikes and kind of, I don't want to say the face of it, but these are the people the ones that you see testing the bikes, riding the bikes in media posts and social posts, like stuff that it's not going to be Joe from accounting who lost his job. I mean, there's going to be a ton of those jobs, and none of them are more or less important than the other. But you're not going to see that. You're not going to see the administrative side of things. All the people who office workers or production guys you lose. It's not going to be named. It's not going to be I mean, I'm reading this from crash.net. There, there's no article that's going to be written about them, but these are the people who you're going to know, and it depends on how far this bleeds. They have announced that they're going to race the Dakar this year. There is some rumors that they might not be doing MotoGP, even though they say they will be. So these are going to be the things that are coming up for the next, well, who knows how long, month and a half, 2 months before either everything goes really bad and it completely implodes or starts to go a little bit better. But I don't know. That's where I leave you guys. What do you think is going to happen? Either KTM is going to be fine and just kind of, recycle the old corporate wagon, or are they going to go downhill and implode? But whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really just helped me out and appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.